Hello friends, welcome to part 16 of Laravel 13 series in which we are creating the AI powered e-commerce website. So in this part we are going to work on the users management in the admin panel. In the Filament admin panel we are going to add its CRUD in the Filament admin panel. Okay, so we will add the user module and we are going to update the user table first of all, and we'll add useful fields, and we'll also insert the dummy users and we'll display those users in the Filament admin panel. So these two columns we are going to add in the user table. One is the phone and another one is the status. So for adding these two new columns to the user table, we are going to run the migration file to add these two columns. Okay, so let's run this migration file for our project. PHP artisan make migration, add fields to users table. Okay, so I'm going to open this file and we are going to add schema to add these new columns. We are going to do that in the up function. We are going to replace the schema there. And now we are going to run the PHP artisan migrate command so that the two columns get added in the users table. It has been done. We are going to check the users table once. So the table has been updated as per our requirement. We able to add the new two columns, and that are the phone and status. Here you can see the phone and status have been added in the users table. So now we are going to modify the user model as well. We are going to modify the fillable array in the user table to add these two new columns that we have just added. Here name, email, password, phone, and status. So now we are going to create the user feeder to add the dummy users in the user table. So we are going to open the user feeder file. And this one we are going to modify source code for this. So first I'm going to add the user model and the hash statement at the top. Now I'm going to update the queries. In the we're going to add the public function run these queries to creating the users in the users table, and also the database header we need to call this user feeder. Okay, so we are going to run the php artisan dbc to create this table for adding the data into this user table, and we are going to run this particular user feeder because we don't require to run other feeder file. Just we require to run the user feeder file so that we able to insert the users in the users table. Okay, so let's see. Going to refresh, going to browse. Yes, we able to add two more users into the users table, admin@gmail.com and user@gmail.com. Okay, so now let's take the next step. Now we are going to create this make filament resource to add the users module in the filament admin panel. Now, few questions will come that we always used to answer. What is the title attribute for this model name? Would you like to generate a read-only view page for the resource? No. Should the computation be generated from the current database columns? Yes. I already explained the purpose of these few queries. Okay. So now we are going to modify the user form file. We are going to modify. Uh, we are going to add. We are going to make sure that these statements have been added. Text input toggle hash is not there. I'm going to add the hash as well. And here, name, email, phone is also there, and status. So it seems to be fine. So I'm going to copy all these and will replace all these. Next, okay. And also we are going to modify user table.php file. This is for the listing, and we need to make sure that we have added the correct listing. Task column, micro column is already added. See here, it's there. Okay. So here name searchable, that is fine. Email searchable, that is also fine. Phone and boolean. Phone is also fine, and boolean is not there. Status. Status boolean is also there. Okay, here you can see. So it seems to be fine. So now we can check here whether the user module have been added in the panel or not. Here you can see the user module have been added as well. We are going to check once. Yes, it has been added, and you can see the new users have been added here. Admin user and test users. Admin user with email admin at the rate of gmail.com, and test user with email user at the rate of gmail.com. And you can see the phone has been added as well. Okay, so complete data has been added that we have added through migration. Okay, through seeder. Okay, so it's fine. So now I'm going to add new user from the Filament admin panel. I will check whether it able to add the new user from the admin panel or not. I'm going to create the new user with my email. I'm going to add yes tech developers at gmail.com. Password is 123456 and phone is 981234567. Okay, create this user. Yes, it has been created. I'm going to check here. We'll go in the users listing. Yes, users have been added. Here you can see new user has been added here. Stack developers 2@gmail.com with phone number 98 and then 0. Okay, so it seems to be working fine. So now we are ready to start the front end of our Laravel 13 multi-vendor e-commerce website, AI powered e-commerce website. Okay, admin panel is almost complete, and that we have added the modules quickly in this Filament admin panel with a very fast process, with a very fast pace. And now it's the time to start working on the front end. Okay, and for front end, we are going to first I'm going to provide the template in sidemakers.in website. Okay, so here in this website, you can get the source code as well after joining as a member. But I will provide the template free of cost so that you can able to download it after taking few simple steps that I will explain in next part, so that you can able to download the template and can start working on the front end of the Laravel 13 series. Okay, so that's all for now, and please join as a member if you want to get this admin panel straight away in just 1 hour. Then please join as a member, and I will help you to download the Laravel 13 admin panel that we have done so far, so that you can start working on the front end straight away. Okay. So for this, you are just required to search for the stack developers in Google and open the channel, stack developers channel. And please subscribe to the channel free of course and join the channel to get the source code. Okay. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.